This under $10 stock has the chance to go to $20 or $30 in the next couple of days. Stay tuned to find out which stock it is. And that stock is going to be none other than Kiora Pharmaceuticals. So Kiora Pharmaceuticals is up 51% on the day. It's up 1% over after hours, and honestly, the chart is set up pretty good. I'm going to be going over the technical analysis on this stock at the end and giving my reasoning for why I think it can go up more than 100% and possibly even 200% here. So make sure that you guys stick around till the end of the video to watch that. And then we're also going to be giving a possible reason for why Kiora Pharmaceuticals, or ticker symbol KPRX, is up this much today. So make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video for that. But on the day, obviously, like I said, up 50%. Past week, up 94%. And over the past month, 88%. So as you can see here, we've just been on a absolutely meteoric rise. But why could that be? We're going to be talking about that. First, I want to say what Kiora Pharmaceuticals is. It's a clinical stage specialty pharmaceutical company. If you guys know anything about these type of stocks, basically it's going to be a low market cap stock that has a lot of potential if they're able to basically get approved by the federal government or the government just for their products to be able to use in the pharmaceutical field. Then these stocks often go up a lot, especially just around the hype surrounding them getting these. So if basically the meme investing community gets a hold of this knowledge, a lot of people start to get in, and you can make a lot of money, as you can see today, and there could be a lot more money to be made as well. I do want to say, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying to buy this stock. I'm just letting you guys know about this stock. You guys can make your own decisions on it. But yeah, it's clinical stage, like I said, which engages in the development and commercialization of products for treating diseases and disorders of the eye. Its pipelines include KIO-301, which is designed to restore vision in patients with inherited and age-related degenerate retinal disease, and K101 for patients with ocular presentation of rheumatoid arthritis. So yeah, other things, surgery, eye repair, but yeah, so this is actually also interesting right now because if you guys don't know about YouTube, Mr. Beast just did a video restoring people's vision. Now, I'm not saying this is what Kiora Pharmaceuticals does, however, this is in the same kind of sector as that, so there could be a lot of eyeballs on kind of similar companies that people might think are doing this surgery in the eye sector of the pharmaceutical and starting to buy that as well. This is all speculation. I'm not really sure. However, this is a possibility. So I just want to keep that in mind. The company was founded in 1998 and it only has about 14 employees. It's in Encinitas, California. And here's the interesting thing. Market cap only 12.38 million. That is not a very big market cap. This just needs a couple of big dogs to get in here and they could move this stock very easily. I am not saying this is a pump and dump stock. I have nothing to do with any of that. I am simply bringing you a stock that could possibly be going up in the future. You guys can make your own due diligence and buy it if you guys decide to do that. Just want to make that clear. The average volume is about 2.92 million shares traded every day, and the volume is about 36 million shares today. So it is more than 23 times its amount of normal volume. So that's how we've seen so much of a move. And there's also some good news coming out on as well. But before we get into that good news, I want to mention, guys, you can join our Discord for free, and you can get a free week of our premium alerts. Now, we give our buy and sell alerts for stock options, and if you take a look at our gains channel, you can see here that I had a 28% gainer, 20% gainer, 78% gainer yesterday. So if you guys are interested in anything of that nature, make sure that you guys join. You get a free week of these alerts where you can be gaining a ton of money every single day. So go ahead and do that with the first link in the description. It's free to join, no credit card required. First link. Anyways, let's get back into it. Here's StockTwits. If you guys don't know, StockTwits is basically a place where you can check how much different stocks are being talked about. Now, if a stock is on here, it means that most of the retail investor eye is on this stock today. And you can see here, Kiora Pharmaceuticals is number 4 on the trending list. This is just below Hood, who has their earnings call today, Affirm, and Disney. And it's above things such as Google, Spy, basically any other stock that you could think of. In terms of activity, they're not on activity. However, in terms of watchers, I believe, yeah, they're down here at 9. They're the 9th most added to watch list. So a lot of people are looking into buying this stock according to StockTwits. Another thing here, this is the possible reason why why they could be going up today. Now this is all hearsay. However, approved systematic drugs in this class which target systemic disease, generate about $2 billion in annual revenue. So basically, this person is saying if they were to get their approved their drug approved in this like class, then they could be taking a market share of $2 billion in annual revenue. And as we remember, their market cap is only $12.38 million. So if they could take any type of market share from this, then they could possibly see a massive increase in their price of the stock, market cap, everything, in between. So that's just something to keep an eye out for. And then also here is going to be our technical analysis. So we can see this morning, it jumped up. Our MACD started trending up in the morning. RSI went up, never went above 70 throughout the whole day. Obviously, because it came back down, it immediately jumped from about $3.40 all the way up to about $5.50, came back down, and then towards the end of the day, on the next day, today, we saw another increase in price. So this was yesterday, and then we saw another increase right at market open, and we pretty much went up all day from $4.50 all the way touching almost $8. Now, our RSI is getting pretty overbought here in after hours. It's at about 70, and the MACD does look like it's about to trend back down. But I can see this sort of being a similar thing that happened yesterday, where we started trending down on the RSI. It went from about 550 to 450, and now maybe this goes from 750 all the way back down to about 550 before we make our next jump, because there's a lot of retail interest in this stock. So I don't want you guys to think just because the technicals are pretty much saying that it's going to go back down tomorrow, that it won't go back up by the end of the day. Now this is going to be where you're going to need to do your due diligence and find out what the best time for you to invest in. So yeah, make sure that you guys are watching this stock tomorrow. This isn't financial advice, not telling you to buy this. However, this could be a very interesting stock to be looking into the next couple of days, because there is a possibility where this stock could be going up in the $10 to $20 range in the next couple of days, depending on if investor interest is still there. And then obviously if any news comes out on it. We're not going to be expecting any news because there isn't anything that leads us to believe that there will be any news, but just make sure that you guys are keeping an eye on this stock. If you're into that biopharmaceutical, those penny stock type of deals, this is only $7. It has potential to go to $10 to $20, especially with all the retail interest that it's been seeing. It looks like a lot of people are very excited within StockTwits, and I saw on Twitter that a lot of people are excited for this stock as well. So just make sure that you guys keep your eye on this one if you're interested in some real rapid growth plays or trades, swing trade type deals. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you did. Join our free section of our premium. You're going to get a free week of our premium alerts. That's going to be it. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. See you in the next video.